Is the East Bay still attractive to home buyers? Higher prices and more sales say yes. I'm David Stark and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. Real estate is still seasonal and the number of homes for sale in the East Bay was down during November compared with previous months. However, buyers had more choices compared with a year ago. For the third month in a row, prices continued to trend up. The median price for single-family detached homes exceeded 1.4. Also trending up, home sales. There were more sales compared with last November. Let's look at local markets, starting with the 880 corridor. Homes for sale, mostly up with a lot more choices for buyers in Berkeley and Castro Valley. Prices mostly up. Hayward tops $1 million, Union City more than 1.5, up almost 20%. Sales mostly up. Fremont, 87 sold, up almost 30% compared with last November. West Contra Costa County is next. Homes for sale, up almost everywhere. Hercules, 17 on the market, up more than 30%. Prices mostly up. El Cerrito, 1.4, up more than 25%. Sales, buyers backed off as sales were mostly down. El Cerrito, 17 sold, down more than 25%. Let's check out Central Contra Costa County. Homes for sale, mixed. Up in Clayton and Pleasant Hill, down slightly in Concord and Walnut Creek. Prices up everywhere. Pleasant Hill more than 1.1 and Walnut Creek more than 1.5. Sales mixed. Concord way down, 39 sold. Martinez and Pleasant Hill more than double compared with last November. Next, Warren La Miranda. Homes for sale. Lafayette and Moraga both down. Prices mixed. Lafayette up 8% to more than 1.97. Sales up. Big increase in Moraga. Let's go to the Tri-Valley next. Homes for sale, mostly up. Alamo, 26 for sale. San Ramon, 22 for sale. Prices, mostly up. Alamo at 2.5. Dublin up at 1.875. Sales, mixed. Alamo down, 11 sold. Livermore and Pleasant both down. San Ramon up, 27 sold. Let's wrap it up in the Delta. Homes for sale, up everywhere. A lot more choices for buyers in Antioch and Discovery Bay. Prices mixed. Brentwood and Pittsburgh both drop at least 10%. Discovery Bay up at 840. Sales mostly up. Brentwood 49 sold, up almost 50%. Last thought, and this is a bit ironic. More choices compared with last November and more sales, though buyers took their time. Last November, a home was on the market 18 days. This November, 27 days. We'll see you next month.